Okay, let's talk about named ranges. Okay, Ram named ranges. Okay, we know what a range is. We say a range is what? A group of cells. Right. So like here, from here to there, this is the range. Okay. From here to there, that's the range. From here to there, that's the range. Okay. So um, these ranges can be named for us to simplify or to make um, our functions more efficient, right? Instead of you, let's say doing equals sum, enter, and then selecting this range and press enter. Instead of us uh, going to select this range, we just name this range and do our function. Instead of going to select again the range, we just name the range. Right. So how do we do it? Okay, let's start with here's our normal sum function. Okay, so um let's start with the one I have highlighted here. Okay, so I want this range from there from 430 to 497. I want to name this range. So what do? You select it. Okay, once you have selected that, and then you go to here. Okay, here you give it what? You give it a name. Let's say I want it to be credit. If I put space, score, and press enter, it will deny me. Why? Because the name, the name range does not recognize space. Okay, so let me type again, uh, credit. Instead of the space, I'll put the what? Underscore. Okay, credit, score, and press what? Enter. So I have named this range. Okay, wherever I want to do my functions, let's say I want to have a sum or average. I'll just I'll just type the name, the function sum, and then the name. Then I'll get the what? The same result as the normal what? As the normal sum function here. Okay. So let me try to do it. To say um equals sum, then I tab. Okay. Instead of me going to select the range, I just type the name. Okay. Let me type pray, you see? Or if you just type C, it is on this list. Okay. If I add R, you find there's what? Credit score there. There is credit score here. Okay. You double click, that is selecting it, or you press tab and then close brackets, enter. Okay. If I format it the same as that one on top, find that I'm getting the same result as what? As the sum. Okay. So you can also do the same. Let's say I want the average of this range. Okay. I want the average of this range. Okay. So you do the same. Let's say equals average. Okay. Tab. And then instead of selecting the range, you just type what? Credit score and close brackets. Enter. So the average is what? 500 and what? 500, 534.31. So let's prove, okay? If I go there and select this range and go down there, you find that the average is what? 531.31. So that's one of the ways of doing what? Of having of selecting or naming the ranges. Okay, so you go to here, this slot here. So if you want to see how many ranges or even tables, how many there are, those which are named, you just go to this what? This drop down here. Okay, there are two. We have the credit score, and the other one is what? Is Remy Kaunga. What will happen if I select the credit score? It will highlight the what? The name, the range I named. Okay. If I go again to this, um, to Remy Kaunga, it will show me the what? The range or the table I named earlier. Okay. So um here you find the name of all the ranges and tables you named in the what? In the workbook. It is not only the what? The worksheet. Because if you go to, let's say, I select Lemmy, okay? I'll go to another worksheet, which is this one. Okay. So if I go there down again, I want the credit score. You see, I'm going to another worksheet. So the name that you have here, the name that you get here is the name of the what? Um, the names you have given to all your ranges and tables in the whole or in the entire what? Workbook, and not to the specific worksheet. Right. So that's one of the ways of naming what? Of naming the ranges. So the other way of naming the ranges is um, if you let me do let me un okay, let me unwrap and then do like that. Okay. So I want to name all these columns. I want to name them. Okay. And I want the names of these columns to be the what? These titles. These titles. These headings, these headings, these headings. What do I do? Okay. In order to do that, what you can do is um you select, you put your cursor there, and then select the whole range. Okay. So I do Control Shift right arrow to go to the end, and also while still holding Control Shift, I'll do what? The down arrow. Okay. I'm at the end of the what? I'm at the end of my sheet. So I don't want this row that top bottommost row. Okay, that this is the total row. So I don't want it. So I just press while still holding the shift. I just do one step up, which is the page up, right? And then once I've done that, I've selected the whole range. So what I'll do is um I'll go to formulas and then go to create from selection. Okay, I'll select that, create from selection. So what is it say? What is it telling us? It says create names from values in the top row left column. Okay, so you can also name the what? The column, the rows or the what? The left column, this column here. So each one of these will have what? Will have names. But now I just want the topmost row to be what? To have names. Okay. So um I just uh unfilter left column and remain with what? The top row and say okay. Okay. So it says replace existing definition of credit score. So that credit score range we named, it is asking if I want to replace. Yes, I want to replace. Okay. So here we have named each and every one of these what? Of these columns. Each and every one has a name. So how do we know the name? So if you go back again to this one, to this drop down, you see, all these have been what? All these columns, all these names are for the what? For this column. If let's say I want to go to the region column, I'll just select that. You see, it has automatically what? Selected. And also, let's say I want to go to job title. See, it is highlighting the job title from the top up to the end. So these named ranges, as I said, they simplify our work. Okay, so if let's say you want to remove some of these names, okay, if you want to remove some of these names, what do? You go to the name manager, okay, and select the column you want to what to remove. So you can just say, okay, I don't want the gender here. Okay, then you select gender and delete. Are you sure you want to delete the name gender? Yes. Okay. The name gender will what? Will leave that will leave the list. Okay. It has been deleted from the list. Okay, let's say loan type. I also want to delete the loan type. Okay, just like that, it will prompt you to uh to to accept or not. Are you sure you want to delete the name loan? Yes. Okay. So, in short, that's what we do with what? With named ranges. Right. So they simplify our work a lot. Thank you.